Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, today I will give you the best information about Get Humanities and Social Science. And what is that? Guys, this video actually for Humanities and Social Science candidates. And today I will show you the placement report of Get Humanities and Social Science students. Okay, and I am telling you guys why you should go IIT Guwahati, because IIT Guwahati Humanities and Social Science department is very diversified department. Okay, you will see different background student like are coming to this department. And what is the reason behind it? Because good exposure, good research exposure, good platform, okay, and placement opportunity. So guys, I will tell you today, okay, why you should come to IIT, okay, for your master's program. And guys, those who are new to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and share my YouTube videos with your friends and press the bell icon so that you will get notification. Okay, so guys, let's start. Guys, you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. This is the batch of 2019-21, and this is the placement brochure, placement report. So guys, I will give you every details. Okay, please watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video you will get an idea that why you should come to IIT for your master's program. Okay, for MA program in development studies. Okay, and I will show you the background of the student, okay, of their undergraduate program. So you will get idea, okay, you will get idea about that program and about the diversity of the department. Okay, so guys, this is the placement report, a placement brochure. And look, you will see everything. Okay, you will see everything. And 1 second guys. Okay, look, department projects, those who are like those who will pursue their master program. Okay, uh, they can get chance. Okay, they can get a chance to work in this national and international project. Okay, look, this is the project sponsored by World Bank. Okay, so time span of this project like 2018 to 2020. So guys, this batch, okay, the batch from 2000, the batch from 2019 and 21, so some student can work in this project. Okay, in this. Okay, so guys, look, you can see many things about. Okay, look, this project, central government project. Okay, United Nations Children's Fund and Assam government, Assam and government of Assam. So all this, okay, you will get huge opportunity for your like project during your master's program. Okay, so seminar and conferences, okay, you will get many chance to participate in different seminar and conferences. So look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so you will get at least 10 to 12 seminar and conferences. Okay, and this will build your resume very good. Okay, your resume will look very good, will be looked. Okay, so guys, these are the department. From this department you can apply. Okay, you can apply for master program in IIT Guwahati. Okay, IIT Guwahati. So you can see, you can pause for a second, you can pause for a second. The student of history can also apply, students of linguistics can also apply, students of economics, students of English, geography, psychology, political science, philosophy and sociology, all the students from this background, they can apply for this MA development studies. The program name is MA in development studies. So now I will show you, like, look, where you will get a placement. Okay, where you can get opportunity. Okay, look, these are the domain, where you can get a job. Okay, these are the domain. Okay, these are the area where you will work. Okay, these are the area. You can pause it for a moment and look. Badge demographics means academic background of the student. Okay, academic background of the student. And now I will tell you, look, students profile. Look, students profile. Guys, at the end of this video I will give you the placement information. Okay, look, the students Akriti Chakravarti. Okay, okay, look, she is from like Delhi University Hindu College, and her background like sociology. Okay, look, BA English. Okay, Akanksha Garg. Look, BA English. This students, look, BA Economics. Looks, this student Political Science, Cotton University of Assam, Arindam Bora. Look, Ashish Kumar Paswan, BTech. Guys, this information I think will help you, because engineering students also, okay, can pursue MA program. Engineering, this is the proof. Okay, Ashish Kumar Paswan, he completed his BTech in Civil Engineering, Nalanda College of Engineering. Okay, so I am telling you guys, engineering student can get chance, okay, to take admission in MA program. Okay, I think this is very, very good information. Okay, and look, the skills he have. Okay, very good skill like QGIS, ArcGIS, all the like GIS related software. Okay, for map digitization, locality digitization, and many applications are there of the GIS technology, GIS software, and other basic statistical like knowledge he have. So these skills actually help him to get a job very easily, because very good resume he have. Okay, look, BA History. Guys, some viewers of my channel asking about the opportunity of like history. So this is the proof. Bimbini Barua, he actually like she completed BA honors degree in history from Indraprastha College for Women, University of Delhi. So guys, I think this information will be very, very helpful for you guys. Looks, anthropology student can also get a chance to pursue this program. Look guys, looks, anthropology student. Okay, look guys, and one more important information about, like, I will share with you, uh, like become student, commerce student can get a chance, and like she completed B.Ed also. So this is a very good information, you know. One more important thing, that is, look, economic student. So number of seats in, like, 48. Okay, number of seats 48. So huge number of seats are there for MA program. Okay, for MA program, for MA program. Okay, no, huge seat, 48 seats means huge number of seats. So you can apply in this area. Look, BA in international relations. So very diversified department. Okay, of this look, another history student, Avia T, another history student. So these are the profile. You can pause. I am showing you, like, slowly. You can pause. Looks, political science. Looks, information technology student can also get a chance to pursue this program. So looks, another history student. So this is a very very like diversified department. Okay, so guys, you can pause for a moment to know the looks, BA honors geography. Okay, University of Delhi. So this is a very good information, you know guys. Just share this video with your friends. Okay, now the placement procedure. I do not want to tell you the procedure because I am now in IIT Bombay, and I was the placement interview coordinator. I was in IC post in this year. Okay, 2000 uh, 2020. Okay, I was like in December season. Okay, like uh, November December season. So I was IC. IC means interview coordinator. Okay, I have like huge experience. I am now experienced about placement in IIT Bombay. Okay, so guys, this is the procedure. You can read this. Okay, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, and point 5, and wait for a moment. Okay, point 6. You can pause video to know about this. All the information, all the informations, like written here. So look, these are the recruiters of like, so this is the placement scenario of IIT Guwahati Humanities and Social Science Department. Okay, these are the recruiters. Okay, look, these are the recruiters. Past recruiter means they recruits actually students from humanities and social science student. Guys, you can look this Ministry of Home Affairs. So if you are doing very good in your program in IIT Guwahati, look, you will get placement from this ministry also. So you will be an employee of central government. Okay, okay. Look, another ministry, Ministry of Labor and Employment. Okay, you will get many jobs. Look, like Punjab National Bank, Syndicate Bank, SBI. So many opportunities are there. Okay, and you can get a chance other corporate companies also. Okay, you can see all the companies. Okay, all the companies, all the uh, recruiters. Okay, so these are the recruiters. National Institute of Public Corporation for Child Development. Okay, public health. So this is a very very good opportunity for placement. Look, you can get a chance in WWF, okay, worldwide fund for wildlife opportunity. So there are so many opportunity you will get placement, okay. So these are the information, and I know guys this information will be very very helpful, okay. Just after your get result, okay, that is 22 March, okay, 22nd March, 22nd March. So 22nd March, so you will get your result, and you will get one more, will get like more 7 days more to apply, okay. You will get 7 days more to apply uh, in this respective program with the help of Get Score. So guys, follow my YouTube channel, and I will give you the best information. And I think from this information you will get many help, okay, about Get Humanities and Social Science department. So guys, all the best. Thank you and tata, bye bye from my side. Jai Hind and Bande Mataram.